Hello guys, in today's video I'll teach you how to make a delicious chicken sandwich with hummus and tomato. This is a quick and easy to make snack that will help you maintain a healthy diet even in the rush of daily life. So if you want to try a nutritious and delicious sandwich, just follow the step-by-step of this video. This sandwich is an excellent source of protein, healthy carbohydrates and fiber that are essential for the proper functioning of our body. Chicken is a great source of lean protein and contains essential amino acids for building and maintaining muscles. Hummus is a chickpea paste rich in protein, fiber and B-complex vitamins that help improve intestinal transit and provide energy to our body. Tomato, on the other hand, is an excellent source of antioxidants, vitamins A and C and fibers, which help strengthen the immune system and prevent diseases. Now, let's go to the ingredients you'll need to make this delicious sandwich. 2 slices of whole wheat bread, 100 grams shredded chicken, 2 tablespoons hummus, 1 tomato cut into slices, lettuce leaves to taste, salt and pepper to taste. Whole wheat bread is rich in fiber and complex carbohydrates that help maintain satiety for longer and provide energy to our body. Shredded chicken is a great lean protein option and can be prepared in advance to make your day-to-day easier. Hummus is a chickpea paste that can be easily found in supermarkets or prepared at home with simple ingredients. Tomato slices and lettuce leaves add flavor and nutrients to the sandwich. Now that you know the ingredients and their benefits, let's go step by step to prepare the sandwich. Start by heating the shredded chicken in a frying pan with a little salt and pepper to taste. Meanwhile, toast the slices of whole wheat bread in the toaster or frying pan. On one of the slices of bread, spread a tablespoon of hummus and place the tomato slices on top. Add the hot shredded chicken over the tomato and lettuce leaves on top. Close the sandwich with the other slice of bread and serve immediately. Did you like that recipe? So don't forget to leave your like and share this video with your friends. And if you want to learn more healthy recipes like that, be sure to check out my ebook Healthy Recipes for a Better Life, which is available at the first link in the description. With it, you will have access to more than 30 delicious and nutritious recipes for